What's up, guys? Good morning. So this is day 3 in Yercaud. We are in Rose Garden, which is very close to our resort. It's around less than half a kilometer. Ample amount of people around today. So it's better than the
Botanical garden.
Government Botanical Garden that we visited yesterday, and it's much greener. A variety of plants, a variety of trees, and also the landscape is amazing. Okay, we'll just show you around this place. Yeah, that's it for now. Okay, another interesting thing happening here. We spotted a group of people. I think they are making a short movie or something, maybe. Yeah, it's nice to see. I think you can see it on the backdrop. Here you go. Yeah, I'm heading back to that place where Rohini is sitting. Yeah, she's getting some rest. I'm just wandering around, enjoying the place in this hot sun. We're planning to get back probably to the resort or to some other place. We stopped for lunch here in this place called Sri Lakshmi Pure Veg Restaurant, which is right opposite to the lake. This place doesn't look very fancy or anything. It's a very normal place. But the food here is just amazing. We had South meals. It was just brilliant. Okay, so if you guys want to have food, this is, especially South Indian meals, if you want to have, this is the place. Okay, it started raining and we are this viewpoint which is called as the Gen Seat. Okay, and it's a little different view from what we get from our resort or the Ladies Seat viewpoint. It's again overlooking the Salem city, but on the right side of the view you can actually see dense forest. Okay, and to the left it's the city. It started raining and here we are taking shelter of this place. You can actually see the road from here, which actually gets you into Yercaud. That's the route that you take to reach Yercaud. And there far away there's another hairpin bend. And there's so much of litter here. You can see plastic bottles and paper everywhere. Whose birthday is it? Yours? Is it your birthday today?
See this, my happy birthday.
Wow, happy birthday!
Thank you. My father will bring cake.
Wow, nice. How old are you now?
Huh?
How old are you? You're 5 years old, huh? As I stepped out to check out the place, it never ceased to amaze me with the breathtaking view it could offer from every corner. We settled down for hot tea at the chai car dock. And launched around as the sun went down. What's up guys, good morning. So today is the last day in Yercaud, and if you can see, today there is some good cloud cover. Okay, you can see the mist or the cloud, just hitting us right on the face. Yeah, and there's the same viewpoint which you would have seen often in the video, wherein like I showed you guys the morning view. It's the same viewpoint from the resort, and today you can absolutely see nothing. Like there is nothing to be seen around. It's completely covered with mist and fog. Check this out. The weather is super pleasant today. Yeah, it's been 3 days here and we've not get to see something like this. And on the last day, and this happens. Now a very pleasant weather. Okay guys, it's finally the end of vacation, and we're gonna head back home today. And it's the 4th day. And overall it was a pleasant stay at the resort here, and the room is pretty good. We would definitely recommend this place. The food is great, but though it's on the expensive side, but yeah, it's fine. Once in a while it's okay. Okay, it's time to leave. We're heading back home. Bye-bye. Our journey back home started as we rolled down the wheels along the 32-kilometer loop road downhill. We drove alongside eucalyptus forests, through curvy roads, tight hairpin bends, into coffee plantation. The temperature started to rise as we approached the plains. After a few hours of drive, we finally reached Bangalore, our home.